Good morning from paradise. Scott McLeod here. Today we have a pretty busy day ahead of us. We're gonna go snorkeling, we're gonna be chilling on the beach, we're gonna go cliff jumping, and yes, I am a little sunburnt from yesterday. Please wear your sunscreen, kids. First stop, coffee. Coffee is life, man. And a fruit cup. And a breakfast sandwich. Okay, next stop is a nice little morning stroll up and down this beautiful beach. So today is actually Friday the 19th, Friday, August 19th. I flew in on Wednesday, August 17th. So yesterday, Thursday, I just kind of used that day to get my bearings straight. It was a long travel day the day before that, but today we're up for some epic adventures. And it all starts right here with this morning stroll on the beach, getting some exercise in. Okay, next stop, extra hydration and a very quick circuit style workout. Gains, bro. Workout complete. Shout out, How to Beast. Anyways, I didn't film everything. It was a small little gym and people are healthy down here. They like to get their fitness on, so I didn't want to be in anyone's way. But quick and effective circuit style workout, right to the point, nice little pump. Let's get out there on the beach. Yo, next stop, snorkeling.